Hey guys, it's test ride time, so let's see how she goes. Got her started up, she's all warmed up here. It's actually idling pretty well at the moment. What are we sitting on, about 1400 RPM for the idle. Let's see, reflections. So I'll go and throw my helmet on and a jacket. I'm only going to go a couple blocks and I'm not going to go far, just in case I've got to push it home, which I don't want to do. So let's see how she goes. Peace out, guys. Alright, first ride test, let's see how she goes. Now, I'm aware the tyres will probably need a little bit of air in them, but yeah, they're fine, they're still round. Oh, first gear. It's been raining here, so I won't be doing anything too stupid. Roads have dried out, but seems to go alright. Nice shift into second. Just a little bit of a hiccup there, about 4,500, 5,000 RPM. At about, yeah, quarter to half throttle. Seems to go alright. I reckon with a bit of use she'll come real good. Third gear pull. Bit of a skip, but that was giving it to it. Definitely need air in that front tyre. Yeah, we've got some second gear skip. That's okay, I can live with that. So there you go, first ride. Other than that, she's sounding pretty good. I'm happy enough with that to go to Rego. So that'll be next weekend. Hopefully that'll be it for Sparkles, just ride and enjoy now, and then we'll be on to that bike. So there we go. Thanks guys for following along. Thanks for following along with this quick rebuild of Sparkles. I'll give her a bit of a wash, get rid of all the dust on there, and rebuild that motor that's over there. That'll be going back into this bike, and the motor that's in this bike will be going into that one, so I'll have the opportunity to fix that second gear issue when I swap them over. Not scared of splitting cases anymore, that's easy. So thanks for following, guys. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the road. Catch us around.